Today, I'm going to talk to you about the Sakura and a nursing friendly style. We do get this question often, how can I wear the Sakura if I'm going to be nursing? It's really quite simple. First, I would recommend getting a bandeau. You are trying to hide a nursing bra and the bandeau will give you full coverage front and back. You can get your bandeau in the matching color of your dress. I'm just wearing the black one here just so you're able to see it for the purpose of the tutorial. So it's really quite simple, so I'll show you right now. Now the great thing with this style, it will give you the ease of access that you do need when nursing. If you do get a little bit warm, you can simply pull up your straps a little bit like this, and there you go. Now today I'm going to be talking to you about your iris dress, and I'm going to be showing you a nursing friendly style. I am a nursing mom, so having formal wear that I can wear that is super accessible for nursing when I'm out is very important. The iris dress is great for it. Now for the purpose of the tutorial, I will be wearing a bandeau. You do not need to wear a bandeau with this dress as it is full coverage. So this is the style I would recommend. Now with this style, you can tie it in the front, you can tie it in the back. For more coverage, you can simply pull the straps up, or if you're okay with it, you can wear it exactly like this. Again, you don't need the bandeau, but it's super accessible for nursing moms, and I would highly recommend it. Today I'm going to talk to you about Ivy. It's our sack dress. And I'm going to show you the, probably in my opinion, the most accessible, friendly nursing style there is with this dress. As a nursing mom, I've done it many times and I love wearing this out because it's super comfy, super easy. I don't overheat while nursing. It's a really great option. So instead of wearing it this way, we're just going to turn. I am wearing a bandeau for the tutorial, but you do not need to wear one. That's totally a comfort thing when it comes to this dress. Obviously, gonna do some quick adjustments just like this. So again, you can play with it to find the neckline that's most comfortable for you. Now usually when I wear this dress out, because I am wearing a nursing bra, you know, it's hard to hide, I like to wear a denim jacket, a blazer, or even a light cardigan, depending on if it's dressy or casual. It gives me a little bit more coverage, which is great because of the bra, but again, it's super accessible, and I would highly suggest that if you're going out, whether it's something formal or casual, great dress for nursing moms.